welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we are going to make another pretzel pizza. So if you haven't seen my first one, go watch that. But we're going to make another pretzel pizza, but instead, we are going to do hummus with roasted vegetables. Oh my God, it's going to be so good. It's almost like a flatbread, but like, let's just call it a pizza because like, more views. Okay, so good. But also, make sure you check out my cookbook, Secret Recipes from a Vegan Bakery, which is on Etsy. Also has gluten-free recipes, $8.99, 46 recipes, super delicious. Check it out. More tips and tricks for vegan bakery, for vegan baking. The link will be in the description below. Let's jump into this bitch. I know I've showed you this recipe before for our pretzels, so like vegan soft pretzels, you just use that recipe, or you can specifically go to my vegan pretzel pizza recipe. But you know what? I figured I'd just show it to you again because those are older videos, so like, fuck it, let's just get into this, right? So this is active dry yeast. This is a little packet. It's what, like 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents? What is it, Greg?
45
cents. Girl, 45 cents. Okay, you can buy your own pizza dough. You can just buy the frozen shit. You can just buy the refrigerated shit. Like, totally fine. But I'm just going to make it on my own because it's cheaper. So we're going to pop that in there. And then to that, we're also going to add 2 1/2 teaspoons. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm so distracted because Greg is literally having a sneezing fit right now and he's trying to cover it up so he doesn't ruin the video. So this is 2.5 teaspoons of sugar. Again, if you've seen my videos before, make sure it's not processed with bone char. I go over that many a time. It's also my e-cookbook, so check that out. Don't come at me. I also have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to pop that in there. And then to that, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of vegan unsweetened almond milk. You can use any non-dairy milk. I'm using the almond Walmart. Hey, yo. And 1/2 cup of water. So what I do, since my almond milk is in the fridge, because I want it to be warm, but I don't want it to be hot. Because hot, you're going to kill your yeast and it's not going to thrive. But cold, it's like going to take forever and it's not going to do what it needs to do. So since I have cold almond milk, because you keep it in the fridge, high safety, I then add really hot water, and then it like evens it out. It's like warm, like science. Okay, we're just gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna give it a quick little stir, and then we're just gonna let this hang out for about 5 minutes until it starts blooming. So as you can see, all these frothy bits, because it's alive. Yeast is alive. Okay, it's still vegan. Calm down. Also, can we talk about oysters for a minute? Don't come at me. Look, oysters have no central nervous system and no brain, and scientists have said that pain is perceived, so technically you can't perceive pain, which, like, if you eat them as a vegan, like, you're still vegan, right? Oh my God, come at me. You can come at me in the comments. Like, it's okay, I can take it. Thumbs up, thumbs down if you're gonna eat oysters. But honestly, I wouldn't eat them anyway because they're slimy and gross, but they're full of B12 and protein and iron and shit like that, which you need anyway. So like, I don't know, think about it. They're great for the environment. Okay, so to this, I melted 3 tablespoons of vegan butter, but I let it cool down while the yeast was yeasting, right? Because if we add something hot, we're gonna kill our yeast and we don't wanna do that. And then I have 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're gonna pop that in there and we're just gonna start stirring. And once this starts coming together, we're gonna throw it out on our counter and start kneading a bitch. So once it starts coming together, we're gonna scoop it out on a lightly floured surface. Girl, if you don't do that, you're in fucking trouble. So we're gonna pour that out, okay, and then we're gonna take our hands. What? We have hands, and we're just, I'm sorry, I'm a mess. It's Friday and I'm excited it's the weekend. Like this video if you like the weekend. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just for the views though. So we're gonna knead this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Honestly, this is not like a bagel dough. This is a super soft dough. It should come together really easily. You can keep flouring it should you need. We just want it to come together and get a little glutinous. Oh my God, this isn't for you gluten-free keto bitches. So now we're going to take our little ball of dough, and this is a bowl that has been greased with some Pamela. Timmy Tomato shouted, hey, plop it down. So normally I would cover the top of this with saran wrap, but girl, I'm out of saran wrap. So I'm going to go Great British Baking style, pull up my Walmart bag. Oh, we so fucking classy. And I'm going to stick it in there and just kind of wrap it around, shove it on the bottom, put this in a warm place until it has doubled in size, about an hour. While our dough is rising, I went ahead and cut up 1 zucchini and red bell pepper. Oh my god, we lost the zucchini. Oh my god. Okay, so this, I've already Pamela'd it. Oh my god. So I'm also going to add to this a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. I have my onion, okay. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and I'm just gonna do a quick roast, probably like 20 minutes. Like, I don't know, just like do it until you're roasted satisfaction. Double time. Our dough is ready to be rolled out, but before we do that, like normally if you've seen my soft pretzel video, we pop them in the baking soda bath, but it's gonna be like too big and floppy to like put in a bath. So we're gonna brush it on, but we still need to make a little bit of a bath. So I took a bath, oh my god, so cozy, self-care, hi. So I took about 1.5 to 2 cups worth of water, and I heated it up in the microwave for a couple minutes until it got super hot, and then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And then I'm going to add about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt. Like, it's not that serious. And we're just going to whisk this up. As you can see, our dough is done. Just going to give it a 1-2 punch. That's my favorite part. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Okay, and then we have a pan that we pre-greased with some Pamela. We're going to shake it out like that. And then we're just going to, you know, spread it out. Spread it out on the whole pan. So once we have it all pushed up, we're just gonna take our brush and we're just gonna start brushing all of this on there. Now, you're not, I say all of this, but you're not gonna use all of it. You just want the whole thing very nicely covered. Don't be scared if you're like, oh my god, I have so much luxuries, what do I do? Nothing, you just put it down the sink, like you're okay. Then for a little something extra, I'm going to take some sea salt crystals and just sprinkle over the whole thing. Now I have my oven preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to put this in the oven for about 10 minutes. We want it to be baked all the way through. Girl, if it's longer than 10 minutes or shorter than 10 minutes, like that's just your oven. Like it's okay. Like don't get mad at me. Oh my god. Oh my god, this smells so good. Okay, so this is our finished crust. So to this, we're going to add hummus first. Now, you can do any store-bought hummus, but if you saw my last video, I'm going to do my balsamic onion hummus because, girl, it was cheap because I made it, and also, it's fucking delicious. So give it a little spready spread. And then we're going to take our roasted veg, and we're just going to sprinkle it all on top like a topping to a pizza. Hello, zucchini pepperoni. No, they don't taste like pepperoni, but it's like all fresh and like, oh my god, like I'm so skinny. You guys, look at this pretzel pizza hummus roasted veg deliciousness. So I'm gonna, oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I need a minute. Oh my god. Okay, hold up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I swear to god I'm not being over dramatic. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry. Let me explain what's happening in and around my mouth. The salty pretzel-y dough, right? But like crispy. And then that balsamic hummus. Like, again, you can use any of your favorite hummus. Like, you do you, boo. You know what I'm saying? But that balsamic hummus, oh my god. It's so good. And I love this vegetable combo. Again, you can do any vegetable combo like you do. You like, I ain't here to judge your life. Oh my god, look at me. Okay, sorry. I gotta stop. Okay, I got carried away. I get excited. I get really excited. So I'm going in my belly. Okay. Full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, hit me a comment. Yeah, oh yeah, you know what? Give me a comment of your favorite pizza toppings. I know I said one time in like a complete joke about pineapple not belonging on pizza. I was trolling you. Jalapeno and pineapple pizza is bomb, and that would probably be actually really delicious on this. So comment your favorite pizza toppings, and I'll catch you next time.
goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.